Alrighty, we've got another Metro that's ready to be sold. I'll just take a quick walk around it. Just like all the rest, it's got the drivetrain restoration done to it. Got a new engine, transmission. I'll walk around standing back ways to get the whole car on the line. So, got a couple little door dings around it. You can barely see. There's like one here. Oh, there's, you can barely see them. The car's in good shape. You see it's got a new exhaust on it. No shiny muffler back there. I can take a peek through it. Got a new dash pad in it. And everything works. Shot through the inside. Probably done this earlier in the day. It's getting dark out. Plus it's starting to rain. It's been through its full test drive cycle now. So it's ready to go. It's got just jump on our drivetrain restoration page, but it's got the axles have been done through the brakes, tires, got new wheel bearings all the way around. Got a new transmission in it, motor's new, fuel injection system's been gone through the cooling system. I know I'm missing half of it, but it's all listed on there. The windshield in it looks like it's perfect, so we probably replaced it. It's got new Bosch wiper blades on it. The car's just in an excellent condition, and it's ready to be go back on the road as a commuter. I'll walk around one more time to give you a good look at it. In fact, we'll take it for a quick test drive. You can see it's got that ding in the door right there. And if we get the light just right, I think you can see that there's one like right there. So for a car at this age, it's in probably better than average condition. And it is a 1996. And since the cars are all the same from 96 to the end of the production run, yeah, let's take it for a drive. I'm going to close everything up. In fact, so I don't have to do any video editing, which I just despise. I think there's a shot of the back of the car. I will close all the doors up here and we'll take it first in. Awesome. Hey Chris, when I get back, the front marker light on this car, I thought I just checked them all, but I missed this one right here. The bulb was burned out. Can you change that for me? And let's check the third brake light too, just to make sure. When I get back, it's fine. But everything else seems to be perfect. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright, let's see. Got my iPhone here, so you'll have to just excuse me as we go for a test drive. We're really trying to go out of our way to make sure everything on the cars are working perfectly before they leave. And we're going to stop for just a second here. I'm going to set the phone down for just a moment here on the dash while I put my seatbelt on. Oh, in fact, that camera might just sit there perfectly. Well, how lucky would we get there? Try to drive it just like that. Alright, here we go. It's always so nice when they have new wheel bearings and brakes, and especially the exhaust systems being changed on a Metro. Just makes them just a little bit quieter. So much for that camera idea. start its life, check out our website. We offer an excellent warranty, and you just can't beat it. There's not a used car in the whole area that's got a good warranty, and the price is always right on these. I'm going to hop out. I'm going to walk around the car one more time, and we'll end the video here. Do it with the doors closed. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for a rig, this one can be yours. Thanks for coming to the website. Thanks for checking out our Craigslist ad. And or visiting our YouTube feed, however you got to us.